From 40, okay. शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम् महिषासुरसेनानिश्चिक्षुराख्यो महासुरः युयुधश्चामरश्चान्यैश्चतुरङ्गबलान्वितः रथानामयुधैः षड्भिरुदग्राह्यो महासुरः आयुध्यतायुधानां च सहस्रेण महाहनुः पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः आयुधानां शतैः षड्भिर्बाष्कलो युयुधे रणे गजवाजिसहस्रौघैरनेकैः परिवारितः वृतो रथानां कोट्या च युद्धे तस्मिन्न युध्यत बिडालाख्यो युधानां च पञ्चाशद्भिरथायुधैः युधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः युयुधुः संयुगे देव्या सह तत्र महासुराः कोटिकोटिसहस्रैस्तु रथानां दण्डिनां तथा हयानां च वृतो युद्धे तत्राभून्महिषासुरः तोमरैर्बिन्दिपालैश्च शक्तिभिर्मुसलैस्तथा युयुधुः संयुगे देव्या खड्गैः परशुपट्टिशैः केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे देवी खड्गप्रहारैस्तु ते तां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः सापि देवी तदस्तानि शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चण्डिका लीलयैव प्रचिच्चेत निदशस्त्रास्त्रवर्षिणी अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमानासुरर्षिभिः मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी सोऽपि क्रुद्धो दुतसटो देव्या वाहनकेसरी चचारासुरसैन्येषु वनेष्विवहुताशनः निःश्वासान्मुमुचेयांश्च युध्यमाना रणेऽम्बिका तयेव सद्यः सम्भूता घना शतसहस्रशः. I think we finished till that time. युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर् भिन्दिपालास पालासि पट्टिशैः युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर् भिन्दिपालासि पट्टिशैः
युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर्भिन्दिपालासि पट्टिशैः युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर्भिन्दिपालासि पट्टिशैः
नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः
नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः
युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर्भिन्दिपालासि पट्टिशैः नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः
युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर्भिन्दिपालासि पट्टिशैः नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः युयुधुस्ते परशुभिर्भिन्दिपालासि पट्टिशैः नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः.
We saw from Devi's breath so many warriors emerged from the breath, and they were all now fighting with the Asura Gana. They are not only fighting, they are destroying. Nashayanto Asura Gana. They are holding Yuduste Parashubir. Parashu, you know, is axis. Bindipala is the javelin kind of a thing. Bindipala. Asi is sword. Pattishaihi, it is a sharp-edged spears, like double-edged or sharp-edged spears are called Pattishaihi. They are holding all these things and fighting with the Asura army. The next line is very important. Devi Shaktyubha Brumhitaha. Brumhita means increasing or being nourished by Devi Shakti. Because they emerged from Devi. So they are also drawing strength from Devi as they are fighting. So their strength is like never-ending strength, eternal, like, as much as Devi's strength has been like, coming from her, they are drawing strength from her and fighting the Asura army and destroying the Asura army. It is not just fighting, Nashayanto Asura Gana. So they are destroying the army. Avadayanta Patahan.
Avadayanta Patahan. Avadayanta Patahan.
Gana Shankam Statha Pare.
Gana Shankam Statha Pare. Gana Shankam Statha Pare.
Avadayanta Patahan. Gana Shankam Statha Pare.
Avadayanta Patahan. Gana Shankam Statha Pare. Avadayanta Patahan. Gana Shankam Statha Pare.
Mridangascha Tathaivanye.
Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Mridangascha Tathaivanye.
Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave.
Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave.
Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave.
Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave. Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave.
Avadayanta Patahan. Gana Shankam Statha Pare. Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave.
Avadayanta Patahan. Gana Shankam Statha Pare. Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave. Avadayanta Patahan. Gana Shankam Statha Pare. Mridangascha Tathaivanye. Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsave.
So these warriors who emerged from Devi, They did not only fight there against the battle, they were not even only taking part in the battle. Avadayanta Patahan. Patahan is the war drum. They were beating the war drums. Gana Shankam Statapare, and blowing the Shankam. Some were blowing Shankam, some were beating the drums. Mridangascha Tathaivanye Tasmin Yuddha Mahotsavi. Mridangam, somebody playing Mridangam. The gist of battle. Sometimes if you feel like, the energy is dropping, some beating of the drum ignites you to energize yourself. So they are doing Yuddha Mahotsavi. They are calling as Utsava. For them it is like a Utsavam. For warriors, of course, battle fighting is always Utsavam. So for us only it is scary. So for them they are just enjoying the battle so much. Some are playing the drums, some are blowing the conch, some are playing mridangam, the beats, like, to increase the zest in the warriors. Okay. Tatho Devi Trishulena.
Tato Devi Trishulena. Tato Devi Trishulena.
Gadaya Shakti Vrushtubhihi.
Gadaya Shakti Vrushtubhihi. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtubhihi.
Tatho Devi Trishulena. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtubhihi.
Tato Devi Trishulena. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtubhihi. Tato Devi Trishulena. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtubhihi.
Khadgadibhischa Shadasho.
Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Khadgadibhischa Shadasho.
Nijagana Mahasuran.
Nijagana Mahasuran. Nijagana Mahasuran.
Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Nijagana Mahasuran.
Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Nijagana Mahasuran. Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Nijagana Mahasuran.
Tato Devi Trishulena. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtibhihi. Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Nijagana Mahasuran.
Tato Devi Trishulena. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtibhihi. Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Nijagana Mahasuran. Tato Devi Trishulena. Gadaya Shakti Vrushtibhihi. Khadgadibhischa Shadasho. Nijagana Mahasuran.
Now the fight between Devi and the Asuras have started. So she is going with Trishulena, with her trident, Gada, that is the mace, Shakti is her spears, and other weapons, Khadgadi, Khadgam is the sword. With all these weapons, she was slaying hundreds of Asuras at one time. With all the weapons, Shatasho Nijagana. Nijagana actually means devouring. Here it is slaying. Slaying all the Asura, hundreds of Asuras. Asuras in hundreds. Okay, it's a huge army, so few hundreds are going like that. Okay. Patayamasa Chaivanyan.
Padayamasa Chaivanyan. Padayamasa Chaivanyan.
Ghantasvana Vimohitan.
Ghantasvana Vimohitan. Ghantasvana Vimohitan.
Patayamasa Chaivanyan. Ghantasvana Vimohitan.
Padayamasa Chaivanyan. Ghantasvana Vimohitan. Padayamasa Chaivanyan. Ghantasvana विमोहितान्
असुरान् भुवि पाशेन
असुरान् भुवि पाशेन असुरान् भुवि पाशेन
बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत्
बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत् बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत्
असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत्
असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत् असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत्
पातयामास चैवान्यान् घण्टास्वनविमोहितान् असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत्
पातयामास चैवान्यान् घण्टास्वनविमोहितान् असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत् पातयामास चैवान्यान् घण्टास्वनविमोहितान् असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत्.
She actually slayed asuras in hundreds. The bell that she was holding now, the way she was ringing the bell, asuras are getting rattled and they were all like falling apart. Patayamasa means falling down. Patayamasa Chaivanyan Gantasvana Vimoh. They were rattled by the sound of that bell. They were all like, they were thrown away everywhere. Like Asura Bhuvi Pashena Badva Chanyana Kashyat. Akarsha means dragging. Akarsha means the dragging. Asuran Pashena Badva Bhuvi Chanyana Kashyat. So Pasha means that noose, that rope that she has. She bound them with the rope that she had and dragged them along the ground. Bhuvi Akarshyat. Okay, she dragged them along the ground. That is what she tied them all with a rope with her noose and dragged them along the ground. Now it is all gory details only, so it is going to be Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi
Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi
Khadgapataistatha pare
Khadgapataistatha pare Khadgapataistatha pare
Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi Khadgapataistatha pare
Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi Khadgapataistatha pare Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi Khadgapataistatha pare
Vipotitha nipadena
Vipotitha nipadena Vipotitha nipadena
Gadaya bhuvisherate
Gadaya bhuvisherate Gadaya bhuvisherate
Vipotitha nipadena Gadaya bhuvisherate
Vipotitha nipadena Gadaya bhuvisherate Vipotitha nipadena Gadaya bhuvisherate
Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi Khadgapataistatha pare Vipotitha nipadena Gadaya bhuvisherate
Kechidvidha Krutastikšnaihi Khadgapataistatha pare Vipotitha nipadena Gadaya गदया भुविशेरते.
So with her sword, the sharp sword, she is slashing people into two. Everyone. Dvida. Dvida means when she is like, one person will become two only, no? So the sharp sword, actually, she was cutting people. Khadga patais, that is how some people are falling down. Patais tathapare. Vipodita nipatena gadaya bhuvisherate. Some people were like, crushed by her gada, that mace that she has in her hand. They were shattered. The blow was like a death blow. They were all falling down on the ground. Bhuvi sherate. They were all falling down on the ground with completely smashed by her gada. Vemushchake chidrudiram.
Vemushchake chidrudiram. Vemushchake chidrudiram.
Musalena brusham hataha.
Musalena brusham hataha. Musalena brusham hataha.
Vemushchake chidrudiram. Musalena brusham hataha.
Vemushchake chidrudiram. Musalena brusham hataha. Vemushchake chidrudiram. Musalena brusham hataha.
Kechinna patita bhumau.
Kechinna bhumau. Kechinna bhumau.
Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Bhinna shulena vakshasi. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Kechin nipatita bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Kechin bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi. Kechin bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Kechin nipatita. So don't say kechin nipatita. Don't say like that. Kechin nipatita bhumau. Okay? Kechin nipatita bhumau. So don't take a break after ni. Kechin ni, don't say that. Kechin nipatita bhumau. Okay? Kechin nipatita bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Kechin bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi. Kechin bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Vemushchake chidrudiram. Musalena brusham hataha. Kechin nipatita bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Vemushchake chidrudiram. Musalena brusham hataha. Kechin bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi. Vemushchake chidrudiram. Musalena brusham hataha. Kechin bhumau. Bhinna shulena vakshasi.
Musalam is the club that she had in her hand. Because she was knocking them severely, brisham hata, violently she was knocking down. Some were vomiting blood. Vemuscha, rudiram is blood. So they were all vomiting blood because they were hit violently by the club that she was holding. Okay. The next one, Kechin nipatita. Some were like falling down on earth. Kechin nipatita bhu. Nipatita means, nipata means falling down. Nipatita bhumo, some were falling down on earth. Bhinna shulena, because they were pierced in the chest. Vaksha means chest. So vakshasi, bhinna shulena vakshasi, because they were pierced by the shulam that she had in the chest. They were pierced in the chest by her shulam. They were all falling down. Okay. Nirantara sharaugena
Nirantara sharaugena Nirantara sharaugena
Pranan, Kruta kechidranajire
Kruta kechidranajire Kruta kechidranajire
Nirantara sharaugena Kruta kechidranajire
Nirantara sharaugena Kruta kechidranajire Nirantara sharaugena Kruta kechidranajire
Shenanukarinah pranan
Senanukarinah pranan Senanukarinah pranan
Mumuchustridashardanaha
Mumuchustridashardanaha Mumuchustridashardanaha
Shenanukarinah pranan Mumuchustridashardanaha
Senanukarinah pranan Mumuchustridashardanaha Senanukarinah pranan Mumuchustridashardanaha
Nirantara sharaugena Kruta kechidranajire Shenanukarinah pranan Mumuchustridashardanaha
Nirantara sharaugena Kruta kechidranajire Senanukarinah pranan Mumuchustridashardanaha Nirantara sharaugena Kruta kechidranajire Senanukarinah pranan Mumuchustridashardanaha.
The battlefield in the Ranajire means the battlefield. She was continuously sending the arrows. Nirantara sharaugena. Nirantara, continuously arrows were coming from her bow. It was like getting struck in the bodies of the asuras. Shena anukarina. Anukarina means resembling. Shena means porcupines. Shena anukarina. They were all looking like porcupines with arrows pierced all over their body. They were looking like porcupines. Pranan mumuchas tridashardana. Tridashardana means enemies of gods, or those enemies of gods. Pranan mumucha, their pranan got also released. It means they all died. They all died. They all looked like porcupines because of the continuous flow of the arrows from her bow. Nirantara sharaugena. Keshamchid bhavashchinnah.
Keshamchid bhavashchinnah. Keshamchid bhavashchinnah.
Chinnagreevas tatha pare.
Chinnagreevas tatha pare. Chinnagreevas tatha pare.
Keshamchid bhavashchinnah. Chinnagreevas tatha pare.
Keshamchid bhavashchinnah. Chinnagreevas tatha pare. Keshamchid bhavashchinnah. Chinnagreevas tatha pare.
Shiramsi peturanyesham.
Shiramsi peturanyesham. Shiramsi peturanyesham.
Manye madhye vidaritaha.
Manye madhye vidaritaha. Manye madhye मध्ये विदारिताः
शिरांसि पेदुरन्येषां मन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः
शिरांसि पेतुरन्येषां मन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः शिरांसि पेतुरन्येषां मन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः
केषांश्चित् बाहवश्चिन्नाश्चिन्नग्रीवास्तथा परे शिरांसि पेदुरन्येषां मन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः
केषाञ्चित् बाहवश्चिन्नाश्चिन्नग्रीवास्तथा परे शिरांसि पेतुरन्येषां मन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः केषाञ्चित् बाहवश्चिन्नाश्चिन्नग्रीवास्तथा परे शिरांसि पेतुरन्येषां मन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः
Bahu means arms. Chinna means severed, that is cut. Some people's arms were severed. Some people's neck got broken. Griva means neck. Chinna griva means neck got cut. Some people's arms got cut. Some people's neck got cut. Shiramsi, whose our necks got cut? Shiramsi Petur. Their head started rolling down on the earth. Manye madhye vidaritaha. Some people got completely slashed in the middle, ripped out. So I don't know. This is all very gory details. How the battlefield is always like very gory. Vicchinna jangastvapare
विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्वरे विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्वरे
पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः
पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः
विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्त्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः
विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः
एकबाह्वक्षिचरणाः
एकबाह्वक्षिचरणाः एकबाह्वक्षिचरणाः
केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः
केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः
एकबाह्वक्षिचरणाः केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः
एकबाह्वक्षिचरणा केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः एकबाह्वक्षिचरणा केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः
विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्त्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः एकबाह्वक्षिचरणाः केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः
विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्त्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः एकबाह्वक्षिचरणा केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः विच्छिन्न जङ्घास्त्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यां महासुराः एकबाह्वक्षिचरणा केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः
Some asuras, mahasuraha, great asuras, their legs got cut off, janghastapare. They were all, because when their legs got cut down, they were all thrown away, like quite a distance they were thrown away when their legs got cut. Ekabahvakshi charanaha kechid devya dvidakrita. whomsoever she severed lengthwise. They had one eye, Eka hand, one hand, Baha, Akshi is eyes, Charana is leg. So they had one eye, one hand and one leg for those who were all severed lengthwise by her. Chinne pichanye shirasi.
Chinne pichanye shirasi. Chinne pichanye shirasi.
Patita punaruttitaha.
Patita punaruttitaha. Patita punaruttitaha.
Chinne vichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha.
Chinne pichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha. Chinne pichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha.
Kabandha yuyudhur devya. It is not there, huh? Nandrudu's chapter. Because this one line is extra in certain.
That is there, but that comes after.
After that. No, that is different. There is another Kabandha comes after that. Kabandha Chinna Shirasa. But this is one, like, this line actually only says that the weapons, the divine weapons that she is holding. That is it. Okay. Kabandha yuyudhur devya.
Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Kabandha yuyudhur devya.
Gruhita paramayudha.
Gruhita paramayudha. Gruhita paramayudha.
Can you just
I will say Kabandha, fourth da, Yudhur devya. Yuyudur. Yuyudur. That is also dha is the fourth dha. Yudhur. Devya is the third dha. Okay. Devya. Gruhita. Paramayudaha. Again fourth dha. Paramayudaha. Gruhita paramayudaha. Okay. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha.
Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha.
Chinne pichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha.
Chinne pichanye shirasi.
Nandrutu's Chaparita.
That is next one. Chinne pichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha.
Chinne pichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha. Chinne pichanye shirasi. Patita punaruttitaha. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayudaha.
Those who were beheaded by her divine weapons. That is the next one. Kabandha yuyudhur devya. Gruhita paramayuda. Paramayuda is her divine weapons who were all beheaded by the Kabandha. Kabandha means beheaded by her divine weapons. So only head is not there, body is only there. They are still holding all their weapons. That is what the next line says. They are still holding, the body is still holding all the weapons. But what happens the moment the head cuts off, the body like jumps at least once or twice before it settles down completely, you know. So that is why Punaruddhita. Punaruddhita means again it got up. Again it got up. The headless bodies were just coming up, okay. Whose heads were down, that body was coming up. Nandrutuschapare tatra.
Nandrutuschapare tatra. Nandrutuschapare tatra.
Yuddhe turyalaya shrutaha.
Yuddhe turyalaya shritaha. Yuddhe turyalaya shritaha.
Nandrutuschapare tatra. Yuddhe turyalaya shrutaha.
Nandrutuschapare tatra. Yuddhe turyalaya shritaha. Nandrutuschapare tatra. Yuddhe turyalaya shritaha.
Kabandhaschinna shirasah.
Kabandhaschinna shirasah. Kabandhaschinna shirasah.
Khadgasaktyushtipanayah.
Khadgasaktyushtipanayah. Khadgasaktyushtipanayah.
Kabandhaschinna shirasah. Khadgasaktyushtipanayah.
Kabandhaschinna shirasah. Khadgasaktyushtipanayah. Kabandhaschinna shirasah. Khadgasaktyushtipanayah.
Nandrutuschapare tatra. Yuddhe turyalaya shrutaha. Kabandhaschinna shirasah. Khadgasaktyushtipanayah.
Nandrutuschapare tatra. Yuddhe turyalaya shritaha. Kabandhaschinna shirasah. Khadgasaktyushtipanayah.
I will recite the next line also together and say the 3 lines meaning together. Tishta tishteti bhashanto.
Tishta tishteti bhashanto. Tishta tishteti bhashanto.
Devi manye mahasuraha.
Devi manye mahasuraha. Devi manye mahasuraha.
Tishta tishteti bhashanto. Devi manye mahasuraha.
Tishta tishteti bhashanto. Devi manye mahasuraha. Tishta tishteti bhashanto. Devi manye mahasuraha.
So the headless bodies, Kabandhaschinna shirasa, the headless bodies, Khadgasaktyushtipanayah, their hands, pana means hands. Their hands were still holding the sword and the sphere, Shakti. Okay. And Nandrutus, when this was going on one side, Nandrutuschapare tatra. Yuddhe Turya Layashritaha. Turya means that again the drum kind of a thing, war drum kind of a thing, where to that beat some were dancing there, and another the battlefield, all is happening everywhere. At that time, Tishta Tishteti Bhashanto. Tishta means stop. Some were crying to Devi, Mahasura, Devi Manye Mahasura. Some were crying to Devi, all the Asuras, great Asuras were. Some were crying, please stop, stop, stop. Don't kill us like this, like Tishta Tishteti Bhashanto Devi Manye Mahasuraha. So everything was happening in one side. The description of this gory details is only to show that when her anger is unleashed, what is the effect of that? When she is an Ambika, how she is a mother, the same Ambika becomes Chandika when her anger is released. And what is the effect of that anger? when it comes to us. Okay, that is what it is. The details, they have given a very little detail here because every battle is going to have this kind of details coming up. But still it is less, much less compared to the one that I am reading now. It is much, much less, okay? Patitai radanagashvair Asuraischa Vasundhara Patitai Ratanagashvair Asuraischa Vasundhara Agamya Sabhavattatra Yatra Bhutsamaharanaha Agamya Sabhavattatra Yatra Bhutsamaharanaha Patitai Radanagashvair Asuraischa Vasundhara Agamya Sabhavattatra Yatra Bhutsamaharanaha Maharanaha is the great battlefield. Patitai Ratanagashvair Asuraischa Vasundhara. Vasundhara means the earth. Patitai, the fallen Ratham, the broken Rathams are all fallen down on the earth. Ratha, Naga means elephants. Ashva means horses. Asura, the demons. Those, because of those fallen on the earth, Agamya Sabhavattatra, that place looked impossible, like, inaccessible, because it is everywhere. The earth is filled with all these things. People could not even walk there. So Agamya means unsuitable for walking or gathering or anything. Sabhava means gathering. I mean, you cannot enter that place. Everywhere all these things were fallen. Yatra Bhutsa Maharanaga. In that, where the battle actually raged, where it took place, it is all filled, the ground was all filled with Ratham, broken Rathams and elephants, horses and the Asuras' bodies on the earth. Okay. Shoni Dauga Mahanadhya Sadyastatra Prasusruvuhu Shoni Dauga Mahanadhya Sadyastatra Prasusruvuhu Madhye Chasura Sainyasya
मध्ये चासुरसैन्यस्य
वारणासुरवाजिनाम् मध्ये चासुरसैन्यस्य वारणासुरवाजिनाम् शोणितौगा महानद्यः सद्यस्तत्र प्रसुस्रुवुः मध्ये चासुरसैन्यस्य वारणासुरवाजिनाम्
शोणितौघा महानद्यः सद्यस्तत्र प्रसुस्रुवुः मध्ये चासुरसैन्यस्य वारणासुरवाजिनाम् शोणितौघा महानद्यः सद्यस्तत्र प्रसुस्रुवुः मध्ये चासुरसैन्यस्य वारणासुरवाजिनाम्.
In the midst of the demon army, madhye cha asura sainyasya, in the midst of the demon army, Shonitauga Mahanadya. Shonita means blood, Auga means plenty, the torrents of blood. That is like Mahanadya, like a river it is flowing in the midst of that army, demon army, like a river the blood was flowing. Sadyas tatra prasusruvuhu. Prasusruvuhu means swiftly drying up there. Sadyas, quickly. There's no time. It is like going like a river, torrential river. The blood was blowing like a torrential river, and it was also getting dried up instantly. Sadhya means instant. Instantly, the blood was getting dried up. The Madhye Chasura Sainyeshu, the blood because of Varana Asura Vaji. The dead, Varana means elephants, Asura is demons, Vaji means horses. Because of the dead elephants, horses and the demons, the blood was flowing like a Mahanadi in the midst of demon army, and which is getting dried up also instantly. Okay. Kshanena tan mahasainyam.
Kshanena tan mahasainyam.
Asuranam tathambika. Kshanena tan mahasainyam asuranam tathambika.
Kshanena tan mahasainyam asuranam tathambika. Kshanena tan mahasainyam asuranam tathambika.
Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis.
Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis.
Trunadharu mahachayam.
Trunadaru mahachayam.
Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Trunadaru mahachayam.
Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Trunadaru mahachayam. Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Trunadaru mahachayam.
Kshanena tan mahasainyam asuranam tathambika. Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Trunadaru mahachayam.
Kshanena tan mahasainyam asuranam tathambika. Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Trunadaru mahachayam. Kshanena tan mahasainyam asuranam tathambika. Ninye kshayam yatha vahnis. Trunadaru mahachayam.
The quickness, notice instantaneously how Ambika demolished the entire army. How she destroyed the entire army in an instant. Shanaina. In an instant, the way she destroyed the entire army looked like how fire consumes. Truna means that straw, dried straw. Daru means wood. How fire will consume wood or straw, dried straw quickly, like that in an instant, she destroyed the entire army of the demons. Chanam, it is only an instant. In an instant she did it. Sacha Simho Mahanada. Actually Nadam. Sacha Simho Mahanadam.
Sachasimho Mahanadam. Sachasimho Mahanadam.
Utsrujan Dutakesaraha.
Utsrujan Dutakesaraha. Utsrujan Dutakesaraha.
Sacha Simho Mahanada Mutsrujan Dutakesaraha.
Sachasimho Mahanada Utsrujan Dutakesaraha. Sachasimho Mahanada Utsrujan Dutakesaraha.
Sharirebhyo Mararinam.
Sharirebhyo Mararinam. Sharirebhyo Mararinam.
Asuniva Vichinvati.
Asuniva Vichinvati. Asuniva Vichinvati.
Sharirebhyo Mararinam Asuniva Vichinvati.
Sharirebhyo Mararinam Asuniva Vichinvati. Sharirebhyo Mararinam Asuniva Vichinvati.
Sacha Simho Mahanada Mutsrujan Dutakesaraha. Sharirebhyo Mararinam Asuniva Vichinvati.
Sachasimho Mahanada Mutsrujan Dutakesaraha. Sharirebhyo Mararinam Asuniva Vichinvati. Sachasimho Mahanada Mutsrujan Dutakesaraha. Sharirebhyo Mararinam Asuniva Vichinvati.
The Simha, Ambal's Vahanam, it was making loud roaring, it was roaring loudly. Mahanada, Simha Mahana, Mutsrujan Dhuta Kesara. Kesara is the lion. It was shaking vigorously its mane. Utsrujan means shaking vigorously its mane and walking through the demon army to see whether there are some breath is going on. to see whether still there is breath in the bodies lying down, enemies' bodies lying down on the earth. Sharirebhyo Mararena. See, it was inspecting, Vichinvati, inspecting whether there is still breath in the dead bodies. Asuniva Vichinvati. There is still life breath there. Devya Ganaishcha Taistatra.
Devya Ganaishcha Taistatra. Devya Ganaishcha Taistatra.
Krutam Yuddham Mahasuraihi.
Krutam Yuddham Mahasuraihi.
There is a change, huh?
Tathasurai.
Okay, no problem. Tatasurai, Mahasurai, there is nothing wrong in that. The meaning doesn't change. So you can have both. Mahasuraihi, whosoever have will kill. Tatasuraihi also is the same. Meaning doesn't change. Okay. देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः
देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः
यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवाः
यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवाः यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवाः
पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि
पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि
यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवाः पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि
यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवा पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवा पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि
देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः यथैषां तुतुषुर्देवाः पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि
देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवा पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः यतैषां तुतुषुर्देवा पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि
Devya Ganaischa. Devya Ganam is the one, those warriors who emerged from her breath. Okay. The yuddham happened between them mainly and the Asuras. So this is the Devi's Ghana. They fought like this against the Asuras. Seeing that battle, Yathaisham Tutushur Devaha. Tutushu means, Tushti means satisfaction. So Tutushur Devya, Devaha. The celestials were so satisfied looking at the battle that these warriors are killing the demon army. Pushpa Vrishti Muchodevi. They were showering flowers. Divi means heaven. From the heaven they were showering flowers. So in all the battles that we are going to see, the only job the celestials have is to Pushpa Vrishti Muchodevi. They will be doing it again and again. Okay. Iti Shri Markandeya Purane
श्रीमार्कण्डेय पुराणे
सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे
सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे
देवी माहात्म्ये महिषासुरसैन्यवधो नाम
महिषासुरसैन्यवधो नाम
द्वितीयोऽध्यायः. So we have finished the second chapter. We will recite whatever we learnt it today once. Next week is practice sessions.
Full chanting next week.
I will do the. You want me to do it now, because I will do it as a separate one, because then it is very easy for you people to access it. Okay. Yeah, that is better. युधुस्ते परशुभिर् बिन्दिपालाशिपट्टिशैः नाशयन्तो सुरगणान् देवी शक्त्युपबृंहिताः अवादयन्त पटहान् गणाशङ्कांस्तथा परे मृदङ्गाश्च तथैवान्ये तस्मिन् युद्धमहोत्सवे ततो देवी त्रिशूलेन गदया शक्तिवृष्टिभिः खड्गादिभिश्च शतशो निजगानमहासुरान् पातयामास चैवान्यान् घण्टास्वनविमोहितान् असुरान् भुवि पाशेन बद्ध्वा चान्यानकर्षयत् केचिद्विधा कृतास्तीक्ष्णैः खड्गपातैस्तथा परे विपोतितानि पातेन गदया भुवि शेरते वेमुश्च केचिद्रुधिरम् मुसलेन भृशं हताः केचिन्निपतिता भूमौ भिन्ना शूलेन वक्षसि निरन्तराः शरौगेण कृताः केचिद्रणाजिरे श्येनानुकारिणः प्राणान् मुमुक्षुस्त्रिदशार्दनाः केषाञ्चित् बाहवश्चिन्नाश्चिन्नग्रीवास्तथा परे शिरांसि पेतुरन्येषामन्ये मध्ये विदारिताः विच्छिन्नजङ्घास्त्वपरे पेतुरुर्व्यामहासुराः एकबाह्वश्चिचरणाः केचिद्देव्या द्विधा कृताः चिन्ने विचान्ये शिरसि पतिताः पुनरुद्धिताः कबन्धायुयुधुर्देव्या गृहीत परमायुधाः ननृदुश्चापरे तत्र युद्धे तूर्यलयाश्रिताः कबन्धाश्चिन्न शिरसः खड्गशत्रुष्टिपाणयः तिष्ठ तिष्ठेति भाषन्तो देवी मन्ये महासुराः पातितैरदनागाश्वैरसुरैश्च वसुन्धरा अगम्या सा भवत्तत्र यत्राभूत्समहारणः शोणितौगामहानद्यः सद्यस्तत्र प्रसुस्रुः मध्ये चासुरसैन्यस्य वारणासुरवाजिनाम् क्षणेन तन्महासैन्यमसुराणां तथाम्बिका निन्ये क्षयं यथा वह्निस्तृणदारुमहाचयम् स च सिंहो महानादमुत्सृजन्दुतकेसरः शरीरेभ्यो मरारीणामसूनिव विचिन्वति देव्या गणैश्च तैस्तत्र कृतं युद्धं महासुरैः यतैषां तुतुषुर्देव्याः पुष्पवृष्टिमुचो दिवि। ॐ इति श्रीमार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये महिषासुरसैन्यवधो नाम द्वितीयोऽध्यायः।